symmetrical. The following are their average measurements. Vertical height 2.2 centimeters, transverse breadth 2 centimeters, antero-posterior depth 2.2 centimeters. When exceptionally large, they may extend into the roots of the pterygoid processes or great wings and may invade the basilar part of the occipital bone. Each sinus communicates with the sphenoethmoidal recess by means of an aperture in the upper part of its anterior wall. They are present as minute cavities at birth, but their main development takes place after puberty. The maxillary sinus, sinus maxillaris, antrum of Highmore. The largest of the accessory sinuses of the nose is a pyramidal cavity in the body of the maxilla. Its base is formed by the lateral wall of the nasal cavity, and its apex extends into the zygomatic process. Its roof or orbital wall is frequently ridged by the infraorbital canal, while its floor is formed by the alveolar process, and is usually 1/2 to 10 millimeters below the level of the floor of the nose. Projecting into the floor are several conical elevations corresponding with the roots of the first and second molar teeth, and in some cases the floor is perforated by one or more of these roots. The size of the sinus varies in different skulls, and even on the two sides of the same skull. The adult capacity varies from 9.5 cubic centimeters to 20 cubic centimeters, average about 14.75 cubic centimeters. The following measurements are those of an average-sized sinus. Vertical height opposite the first molar tooth, 3.75 centimeters. Transverse breadth, 2.5 centimeters. Antero-posterior depth, 3 centimeters. In the antero-superior part of its base is an opening through which it communicates with the lower part of the hiatus semilunaris. A second orifice is frequently seen in or immediately behind the hiatus. The maxillary sinus appears as a shallow groove on the medial surface of the bone about the 4th month of fetal life, but does not reach its full size until after the second dentition. Footnote: the various measurements of the accessory sinuses of the nose are based on those given by Aldrin Turner in his Accessory Sinuses of the Nose. End of footnote. At birth it measures about 7 millimeters in the dorso-ventral direction, and at 20 months about 20 millimeters. End of section 48.